welcome to Crazy Cousin Shorts. This is a Crazy Cousin short, so keep watching. It's very quick. Today we're doing who can make the best slime farting noise. Okay, Odette, you can go first. Okay, you can go first.
So this is my slime. It's Bob Petunia. Petunia Bob.
Mine is Jalapena.
Jalapena and Petunia Bob. Or Bob Petunia.
No. Oh, Skinny Minnie. I miss Skinny Minnie so much.
That's okay. They're just there for slime. Oh my god.
I miss
It's impossible to
Skinny Minnie
be
so much. Okay. That's okay, my go.
Oh my god. Hasn't even been a minute yet. And shorts are really short. Shorts are usually 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes,
No, that's
7 minutes,
that's too
8
long.
minutes,
That's
9 minutes, 10 minutes,
Not
11 minutes,
3
12
minutes. That's way too long.
23 minutes, 20,
Okay,
24
here's my
minutes.
go. Ready, steady.
So it's impossible to, the cosmic shimmers are like, oh my god.
Focus on my slime.
Focus on this one. Looks like metal. Dented metal.
Ooh. Okay, thank you for watching Crazy Cousin Shorts.